guys, so right now I'm on my way to the movies. It's a little bit early, but I'm gonna get there a couple minutes early so that way I can prepare to watch the movie. So stay tuned. Movies, guys, movie theaters.
One many people find confusifying. Are people born wicked? Or do they have wickedness thrust upon them? After all, the wicked...
Many years I have waited for a gift like yours to appear. Why, I predict the wizard might make you his. And to the wizard.
Guys, so I'm in the bathroom and I literally took my makeup off because I was like, I'm tired. Honestly, I watched the movie Wicked and it was like 4 hours long. And honestly, I still don't understand what I like literally just watched. But Ariana Grande's in it. And yeah, the movie was 4 hours and I fell asleep kind of. But yeah, I took my makeup off and I'm sorry if this intro or outro is kind of short because I really didn't have a lot of time to do like a nice intro for you guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and click the notification bell. And yeah, I know I haven't been active for like, what, 2 weeks now. Yeah, let's just run up the views and likes. And oh yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I didn't do anything for New Year's. Like every New Year's I just stay home. Yeah, so I love you guys and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.